welcome back to TGR Mint. I'm Tom and today I'm going to show you how to make buttermilk in 3 different ways. If you don't know what buttermilk is traditionally a byproduct of cream. So when you make butter out of cream and you whip it and it churns and curdles, the liquid that comes out and separates is buttermilk, and the fats then becomes butter. What's it used for, I hear you ask? Well, buttermilk pancakes, guess what? Has buttermilk in it. We've got red velvet cake, buttermilk, scones, buttermilk. You know, you could even marinate your chicken in buttermilk. It's more acidic than normal milk, so that helps to break down the proteins in the chicken, for example, to make it more tender when it comes to cooking it. The acid will react with the rising agent that you use, so baking powder for example, to help those pancakes be super fluffy or the cakes be super light. Generally speaking, most households will have these ingredients in the fridge and the cupboard, so you'll never have to worry about buttermilk ever again.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through eyes covered in ink and bleach. So watch me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my.
Alright, that's it. That's how you make buttermilk in 3 different ways. If you made it to the end of the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, hit subscribe and turn on the notification bells because I release new recipe videos every single week and you do not want to miss them. I will see you in the next one.